you guys arguing about does technical analysis work? Can't even tell you that like a whole bunch of millionaires use it. So we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna show y'all fools how technical analysis does work. Welcome to Everything Currency. I'm your host Jay, and today I just want to make a new video for you guys to let you guys know a little bit of insight on my views on does technical analysis work, does fundamental analysis work, and does sentiment analysis work. For those who don't know, there's three types of analysis there's more types, but as far as we're concerned right now, there's three types of analysis in the cryptocurrency market. You can analyze the fundamentals, which is like, hey, the news, if they come out and say, yo, this coin is actually going to be used by Facebook, okay, we're going to take a look at that. It's probably going to pump the price. It's fundamental analysis. Or hey, this coin is actually being banned by the United States, okay, the price is probably going to dump. That's fundamentals. Sentiment analysis is what people think. Hey, how do people feel about XRP right now? Are they feeling bullish about XRP right now? And if they are, then we have to analyze that and come up with some type of sentiment analysis. And then there's technical analysis, which is that analyzing patterns and charts. As you know, everything on this world goes in patterns. Every single thing, me, you, the days, the months, the calendars, you know, our behaviors, everything on this world goes in patterns. So for me, that's what we're going to look at. And what I'm going to do, first of all, did you hear that? Every time I see that, I'm like, oh yeah, I'm getting paid because this ad pops up. There's a metals exchange and I just got paid, and I'm not going to click on it because I'm not going to buy any precious metals from them because I already bought from J Bullion. So before we continue, haven't already, get you a ledger. Go ahead and make sure that you keep your crypto safe, become your own bank. Get this little device right here. You can hold all your crypto secure and can't nobody take them from you. And if you like and subscribe to this channel, it'll be a chance for you to this ledger Nano S that I actually have still wrapped in the package, and I just want to give it away because you know what, fuck it, I'm just gonna buy my friends, say, hey, you guys follow me and I'll give you a ledger, whatever. We'll see what happens. I won't give you all a ledger, but when I reach 300, I'm gonna raffle this thing off and we'll see how that goes. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna raffle it off, but whoever the winner is, I'll send it out to you, no problem. So right now I'm gonna pull up the XRP chart. I'm gonna come right here to tradingview.com. I just want to show you guys something. This is where people get all their charts. You got oil, you got gold, you got the S&P 500. If you don't know what the S&P 500, it's an index of the top 500 companies. If you don't know what an index is, it's just a grouping of all those. It's just a grouping of the top 500 companies, like a portfolio of the top 500. That's it. So I didn't know that when I got into crypto, so a lot of people probably don't know that. And so like I said, in this 3 years that I've been into crypto, I've learned so much about just financial markets in general, cryptocurrency, finance in general, and my own finance in general. And it helped me look at finance in a whole different way, boosted my credit score like 400 points. You know, I got good credit now, so like I'm excited. I want you guys to be excited too, because crypto changed my life. It can change yours too, and that's why I just want to show you guys some of the things that I'm doing to help me out now. But anyways, side note, let's pull up this chart. See, I already have all this stuff laid out because I'm gonna do it all over again. I had this laid out because I just recorded this video and something happened. The audio didn't come out, something happened. But I'm gonna erase this. So look, go right here. This is the XRP chart from 20. Hold on, my light is tripping. Let me see what's wrong with this light. There we go. How's the lighting? How's the lighting? But yeah, back to it real quick. So This is the part. This is the chart. This is the chart of XRP coming from November 2017 up until now. This is the chart of XRP versus the price of Bitcoin. So this means that, you know, up here, it's outperforming Bitcoin, and when it goes down, Bitcoin's outperforming it. So as you can see, ever since back in, you know, 2018, when all the alts pumped, it's been getting smacked down by Bitcoin ever since. So what we're going to do is we're going to zoom in to the daily, and I think XRP might be having some good moves coming soon. Just looking at how, you know, just looking at this chart, there's a couple things I see right here, just noticing this chart. So I want to show you guys something real quick about technical analysis, just so you can believe that it works. I'm going to draw this trend line. Come from here. So this is the, like right here, you see, you draw a trend line from the swings, right? So this is a swing low. Right here, it's low, then it goes up. That's called a swing. So swing low, swing high, and then swing low right here, and then swing high, and then swing low, and so forth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go from this high. Hold up. Let me this real quick. Regular trend line, not no crazy long trend line. I'm going to go from here. And you have this line right there. Boom. So what you're looking at is each one of these bars right here, each one of these lines is 1 day. What I'm doing is I'm drawing a line on the swings, right? Bring it down a little bit and then just do like that. So you see coming up here, boop, boop, boop. So this should already prove to you that it works, because I got this going from October up until now, and you can see that it hasn't been able to cross this resistance line right here. Since it's a resistance line, let's make it, no, let's just leave it yellow, because we're going to leave it neutral. Now I'm going to duplicate this line. And I'm not a professional at this, by the way. I just want to show you guys that, man, it does work. It can make you some money. In my opinion, I just want you to know that you can make some money. You can get the edge over a lot of people. And that's what you want, because you don't lose money in crypto. Other people take it from you. That's something that I learned in trading, and it's definitely true. So going right here, this is what I'm going to go to this swing right. What's wrong with my light? My light keeps flickering and it's messing with me. Okay. Anyways, so going to these right here, and I'm gonna try to line it up as good as I can. Cool. So you can see swing high, swing low, swing high, and then almost to the swing low, went back up to swing high, and then now it's at the swing low again. Okay. Now this is just from September, what is it, September 2019 until now. Oh, it has these trend lines. But what I'm going to do that's about to trip you out, because it tripped me out when I started learning TA and I seen somebody do this. Then actually, I didn't see nobody do this. I did this myself, but I'm sure there's somebody who did this. Then this line to the left, which is back in the past. And you can see that, look it, this line has played a role going all the way back to 2018. See, it's not perfect, but you can see right here, it came up, the price came up from its bottom, and it went straight up, and it didn't stall until it hit this line pretty much. You know, it's far back, so it lines up better, but I just did it real quick too, but I can probably get it more precise than that. And it hit this line, went above it, then this line became support, and it hit this line again, and then there was a bunch of trading under it, and then it went back up, went to support this line again. It came down past this line, and it went up to retest if it was gonna become resistance, and it blew past it, and when it blew past it, it came and retested if it was gonna be support, and it was support, so then it came back up, and it went back down, went past it, came back up to see if it was gonna be resistance, didn't work, so it came back up, went down to see if it was going to be support, and it worked. This time it went up, did the same thing, but this time, look, it came down, for a minute. Then it went back up to see if it was going to be resistance, and it was. So it retested and it was resistance. Then it got stuck under it. So we drew this line. So you can see how we drew a line from here to here and we just threw it back. And this is called back testing. So what you got to do is when you come up with a trading strategy, you'll go and back test it. So you can see right here that, and even if we continue this lines in the future, this is why I'm thinking that XRP's price probably going to be doing something pretty soon, because this is getting very narrow. This is the daily chart. But look, gonna cross right here in October of 2021. So it's gonna have to decide what it wants to do between there. But as you can see, the price is starting to, I mean, it's still coming down, actually, I can't, but it's starting to hit this bottom. Maybe it'll come up. Hopefully it gets a chance to pop out, retest, and keep this going its way up for XRP. So that's just one thing that I'm just like, man, technical analysis does work. If you don't think that this works, yeah, the pumps and stuff like that, you know, when the coronavirus hit, everybody sold everything because they were scared. Okay, that makes sense. That's fundamental analysis. So you have to use a mixture of the two. And for me, when you have a coin that says, hey, we're dropping some news soon, and then you see some something good on the chart looking like the price has like been over, this is called RSI right here, the price has been oversold, and usually the oversold gives it a little bounce to go up. You can see right here when it was oversold a lot, it bounced and went up a lot. So I'm hoping that it can pump pretty soon, you know, the price of XRP. So we'll see how that goes. So yeah, that's it for this subject, man. I'm not finna argue with y'all. You go ahead and do what you want. There's plenty of ways to make money in here. You can use fundamental analysis, you can use technical analysis, but for me, it's all about managing your risk. Throw $100 in, you don't want to lose $10 and only have 90. If you throw $1,000 in, same thing. If you throw $1 million in, it's for damn sure the same thing. You don't want to lose $100,000 just because the price decided to go down. You want to be able to protect yourself, and that's just what technical analysis does. It gives me a better way to manage my risk. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a pro at this stuff, but I use it, and I suggest you start learning. I've been learning about it for a while now, and the pockets. So till next time, peace.